To set a lightning style effect for notification pop-up to eclipse in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap notification pop-up style. While the notification pop-up style is set to brief, tap add lightning style. In the effect tab, select eclipse. When you select this effect and you receive a brief notification pop-up, the edge of your phone will light up and you will see the eclipse effect around the pop-up. Tap down button to save the change. The lightning style effect for notification pop-up has been set to eclipse. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.